Okay, here it is, another boat project. For sale though, Skagit Valley College. We have this boat donated to us, and it's a beautiful boat, 24-foot Albemarle. We got it. Luckily we had a trailer, and we have about 6 videos you can watch. Trouble is, where this boat was sitting over here, we have a container coming in for storage, so we are out of space. We also have Instructor Matt's family boat, that aluminum, we're still going to do a video on. So we've got access to boats for students to put motors on and off, and space and time. So this is going to be an opportunity for somebody to get a really nice boat. At the end of this video, I'm going to run over to Twin Bridges and actually get some cost estimates for this thing. We had 2 different ideas, either A, replacing the Volvo diesel down in the hole here. I'm guessing that'd be around $50,000. and which sounds expensive, but or putting an outboard motor on. So we'll get those costs. Why would you do it on an old boat? We are the refit school right now. Boats are expensive. Looking around, and there's very low inventory. These Albemarles, do a little research on the internet. Great sea boats. They're really renowned. People like them. The hull seems to be in great shape. The bottom paint's a little thick and chunky. It's there. It is 30 some years old, this boat. It does not come with a trailer, so we are just going to sell the boat. But beautiful woodwork. The teak has been all revarnished down here in the floor. These 4 captain's chairs, brand new. These 2 of them are a little bit dirty. It's got a little cubby up here. Furuno NavNet radar chart plotter. Older technology, but those are bulletproof units. It'll definitely get you out on the water. Canvas. Really good shape, hard top. What more could you ask for? I think it's going to make somebody a great boat. Once again, no space and time. Students are graduating here in a couple of months. This boat, we play this game, actively used, deeply cherished, and we haven't got this thing to fruition. So we're going to put it up for auction. There'll be details in the show notes on how that works. It's a proxy bid. Tell us how much you're willing to pay. Bring your own trailer. We got a lift a half a block from here. We'll pick it up, set it right on your own trailer, and you can put a motor on it, whether you go inboard diesel, outboard on this pod. You buy the boat, we'll throw the pod in, we'll donate it to you. So, thanks for watching. Maybe this will be your next boat.
The hull is perfect, but it does have one large hole in it there where the outdrive used to be.
Okay, well.
But
this is what we do here at Marine Tech.
That's right.
Things.
That's right. So I had a couple thoughts. One is going back with the old original engine.
Yeah.
But
Volvo Green could be expensive.
Volvo Green is pricey, and I think by the time
All right, Kyle, alumni. Thanks for having us out. We've got boat questions. Okay, I'm your man.
What do you do?
So I work at Master Marine at Tom and Jerry's, and I'm a rigger / mechanic. I'm basically the go-to guy on everything you need to know to install on boats. So,
Trailer boats.
trailer boat stuff. This is typical boat right here.
So,
sorry about all the noise. I needed my other microphones. Apparently, former student Kyle is awesome. He's just bubbly, loves his job. So what's going to happen with the Albemarle is this proxy bidding. Get a hold of me. We're going to have it available from today, February 27th. We'll take bids for the first week without any tours. We want to find out about how much this boat is worth. And worth is whatever somebody's willing to pay, obviously. But we want it to be saved and not go to the crusher. So you've seen the options. We've talked about the diesel. We've talked about the outboards with the pod, so on and so forth. Yes, it's going to be a little bit expensive. Maybe you've got an outboard kicking around or whatever. So we'll leave bidding open from now until March 6th for a week. And then once we know about how much people are willing to pay, we'll start scheduling a few tours at our school for those of you who are interested and have a trailer and have some cash. And then we will wrap the auction up on Wednesday, March 16th. So there's the price, 30 grand for a new 250. Actually, the motor's about 25. Then you end up with controls stuff like that. Kyle says the trailer is going to run 10. And well, let's just listen to Kyle. Here's the little spin.
One more weight.
Beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
I like it.
Keeps all garbage.
I like it. I like it.
So, let's say somebody bought it for 10, put 30, trailer, 40, so we have 50 grand in it.
Yeah.
Nice boat. It isn't a 1989, so it's 30 years old, but it's solid. But let's compare 50 to, I know it's got a better paint job,
Yeah.
for sure. But what's it cost to roll out of your lot with a 22, 24-foot decent boat ready to go?
This boat right here, $127,000 out the door with everything on it. And that is,
Thanks for sharing the numbers. You're going to be on the YouTube. So
all right. I like it. I like it. Hey, these are your guys right here. They will tell you how things are.
Train them.
Train
so
them.
that you can have a job. Like
Yes, yes. I love my job, by the way. I love being on boats. I love working on them.
Well, while we're here, we're drooling over this beauty. New Sea Sports. Love them. They were built up in Bellingham. 24 foot, same size. Got the pod, pretty similar. 300 horse Suzuki. Could be yours today for a mere $225,000.